nga mga Zumba goers sa Best in Attire, Most Energetic Dancing Queens, Best in Most Senior, and also our special awards. So ang ato ang unang ipanghatag no or iparaffle is ang The Boss Pizza. The Boss Pizza is located kilid sa post office, no? Kilid sa post office likod sa First Valley Bank. Before sa JRS, basta kilid sa post office na ay signage na The Boss Pizza. So first, natay tulo ka buok makadawat sa Best in Attire. Yes, daghan. Not tulo ka buok ang ato ang Best in Attire. Inanang mo na mo kapalangga and also sa ato ang mga sponsors. Thank you once again, The Boss Pizza. Thank you so much. So first, Best in Attire goes to, wait lang. Best in Attire goes to Ma'am Baby Jean. Amazing moms, Ma'am Baby Jean. Next is si Ma'am naka-red upper and white shorts. Wait lang. Red upper, sexy si Ma'am. Yes, ikaw Ma'am, ikaw. O si Ma'am Violet, all violet. Yes Ma'am. Isa ka sa Best in Attire. Ma'am Baby Jean. Ma'am Baby Jean. Sige Ma'am, picture na Ma'am. Next is our most energetic. Most energetic is tulog gihapon ni sila kabuo. Number 1. Prepare na lang daan ha. Number 1 is si Ma'am Nance. Ma'am Nance. Ma'am Nance. Next is si Ma'am Marife. Ma'am Marife from Ilig. Okay. O si Ma'am Love Jokes. Love Jokes. Love. Na si Ma'am. Ma'am Love. Ma'am Love Jokes.
Ma'am Love Jokes sa FB. Love.
Sila ang most energetic. Sa center ka ma'am, center. Most energetic. Thank you so much again, Boss Pizza. The Boss Pizza. Thank you so much. Ma'am, dito ma'am. And next is our Dancing Queens. Tulog ihapon ni sila kabuo. Dancing Queens. Tulog ka Dancing Queens. Okay, atong tulog ka Dancing Queens. Dili na ni angay ikalalis. Number 1 is si Ma'am or si Ate Lotsky or Ate Mar. Next is si Ma'am Lu. Ma'am Lu sa Linamon or Buroon. Bali si Ma'am Lu. Ma'am Lu sila. And next is si Ma'am Jean Gutang. Si Ma'am Jean. Ay, wala na. Ano? Thank you so much, Bench. Substitute na lang si Kuan. Si Ma'am, kay Ma'am Jean. Next, ay napadi ay upat ka buhok ang Dancing Queen, si Ma'am Betchay. Ma'am Betchay. Ma'am sa Buroon, from Buroon, para si Ma'am. Napaisa, wait lang. Next is our Best and Most Seniors. Naapa si Ma'am Brenda. Wala na po. O, sab na lang gapon ka, Ma'am. Sab, dali, sab. Napaisa, another one. Sab ni Ma'am Brenda. Next is si Ma'am Charito. Ma'am Charito. Best and Most Senior, Ma'am Charito. And last is si Ma'am nga naka-black. Kinsa to kung doon. Ay, guna si Ma'am. Yes, ma'am, ikaw. Thank you so much, Jade Beauty Salon, sa makadawat sa free haircut and free hair spa. Jade Salon is located diri kilig ani nga building at bang sa Rose Pharmacy. Jade Salon. Thank you so much, Ma'am Vilma Yauder. Thank you so much, Jade Salon. Free haircut and free hair spa. Thank you so much. And next na po tayo 5. Si Ma'am Brenda, si Ma'am Charito, o si Ma'am nga naka-black. Ma'am Charito? Ma'am Charito? Okay, special awards. Special awards is si Ma'am Colorful. Si Ma'am Dra. Ikaw, Ma'am. Yes, Ma'am. Congratulations. And si Brad, Ma'am, naka-brown. And si Ma'am Pod nga naka-white, ganina diri sa front. Kinsa tong murag si Ma'am ang siguro to, kaning naka-jacket ay. Kinsa tong naka-white? Kana siya, Ma'am. Oh. Wait lang. Ay. Si Ma'am Colorful, si Ma'am naka-brown, si Ma'am naka-white. Ma'am, katong naka-ponytail, katong nakahikot o ana. Naka-black to si Ma'am. O isa sa Mother Emily, katong kauban ninyo, isa sa inyo kauban, nakapit to si Ma'am, katong mag-zumba, bitaw diri, ang Ma'am Tere. Wala. Ay, dira, kasi Ma'am. Ay, dira si Ma'am. Yes, Ma'am, ikaw, tapad ni Coach Tere. Ikaw. So next is our early bird. Uy. Wala sa'yo mahawak, kay napatay mga raffle from bench. Naatay 5 ka early bird. Si Ma'am Yaing Padios, Ma'am Yaing, yan. Ma'am Padios, Ma'am Meme, Ma'am Mimi Polinar, Ma'am Heidi Tumala, Ma'am Maricel Amumunpun, o Elizabeth Inhabre. Ma'am Elizabeth Inhabre. Again, Ma'am Yaing Padios, Ma'am Yen Padios, Ma'am Mimi Polinar. Yes, Ma'am. Okay. Ma'am Heidi Tumala, Ma'am Maricel Amumunpun, and Elizabeth Inhabre. Next is best among the rest, best in attire sa Sayaw Indak Iligan, no other than Mother Eleanor Ipaw. Mother Eleanor, nag-ilis na siya. Nag-ilis na si Mother Eleanor Ipaw. Walay Eleanor Ipaw, later na lang. Okay, mag-proceed ka sa itong raffle. Napatay 8 minutes before mapuli ang solo parents. Yes, 10 a.m. Sige, bunot. First, 96. Number 96. Number 96. Please kung check sa inyo ang kuhaan. Number 282. Tas halibas care of Love Reoyan. 282. Number 96. Please proceed sa stage. Number 87. 87. 87. 188, 188, 188, 118, 118, 118. Again, number 188, 118, 87, 96, 282, 369, 369, 201, 201, 201, 364, 364, 364. 274, 274, 274. Next is 112. 112. Linya lang tanan. Linya lang tanan, ma'am. Linya lang tanan. $340. 340. Linya lang sa stage, Halibo. Balik ko na ako ha, 282, 96, 188, 87, 274, 118, 364, 369, 201, 304, or 112. Wala. Ito, 282, 96, 87, 188, 274, 118, 364, 369, 340, 201, and 112. Okay, thank you so much. And next, mapili ka o gubat kabuong nga makadawat of healthy, active lifestyle from Love Yourselves. Free 10 days workout session with Sir or Coach Clark. Thank you so much. Love Yourselves. 130, 130, 313, 313, 372. Again, 130, 313, 372, and 283. Ma'am Josephine, care of Ate Love.